One of the things that we've been looking at here is ways that AI are able to go onto government websites in multiple different languages and review the changes in legislation and then be able to then interpret that in a way that allows us to understand it in our language. So for example, if there's been a change in legislation in the rules and regulations regarding social security in Finland, what we're able to do and areas that we're looking at is where we can then point the AI tools to the government websites. We can then ask the questions to the AI tool, which is then able to read it in Finnish, but respond back to me in English. And then it allows us then to interpret that rule and regulation in a way that I can understand it and not have to know Finnish to do it. That is amazing, because if you think about it, there are 7, 10 major languages in the world. The ability to be able to, somebody who's not a linguist, to be able to ask a question to an AI tool that can then go to a website or a government document that's been indexed and ask specific questions about how that will affect us is amazing. It's almost like having a big four in your pocket. You can literally be in that sort of situation that a client can ask you a question and you can go into an AI and say the date of which that law or legislation was passed. So then you can then validate that to your client and say, we now know that in 6 months' time, the Finnish authorities are going to be implementing this change, and this is the official document, albeit in Finnish, but we've been able to interpret it to mean this. What we can then do is take that information and apply it to the way that our clients are operating. So we can ask the AI to say, act like a tax manager and explain what will be the implications of these changes to the social security in Finland based on the regulation changes in the next 6 months. And then it will give us an understanding of what that impact could be on one of our clients' businesses. That is incredible. I mean, it's a game changer.